Hi guys, I'm Dr. Rajan, a cosmetic dentist and implant surgeon. So I'm gonna dive straight into it today. If you've thought about straightening your teeth, then I'm sure you will have heard of Invisalign through friends, through family, or even social media. But what exactly is it and how does it work? In the past, metal wires, train tracks may have been used to straighten teeth, but technological advancements have opened the door to near invisible solutions for us to give you your dream smile. Plastic trays molded specifically to the shape of your teeth are created to incrementally move your teeth from how your teeth may look now towards the desired smile that you want. So who's suitable for this treatment? Before embarking on a journey to straighten your teeth, it is important that a routine examination is done. The reason for this is to ensure that all the work that we do is protecting you and it is most importantly safe. In the examination, we will take x-rays to ensure that the fundamental causes of problems are alleviated, such as gum disease, decay, or even dead teeth. The journey that you will take can be simplified into the following steps. Step number 1. We take a scan for you to see how your teeth look before and after treatment. Step number 2. We calculate a safe path for your teeth to move in order to achieve your dream smile. Step number 3. We check with you if you are happy with the final result on the simulation, and if you are, we approve for the trays to be manufactured and shipped over to us. Step number 4. Very exciting. We fit on the white filling material attachments onto your teeth and teach you how to use your trays. And the final step is you finish your smile makeover journey and you've achieved your dream smile. Our teeth are constantly trying to move into the positions that they were in, so you are tied into a lifetime commitment of ensuring that you have retainers to prevent your teeth from going on walkies. I hope that you guys have found this video useful and feel completely free to get in touch if you have any questions. Thank you.